If the drone crashed, we must inspect carefully before doing maintenance so that no drone problem will be overlooked. Generally, the fault source can be located according to the prompts after the drone crash. Please operate the following inspection, except for the prompted faults. Part 1. Power module. If the propeller is damaged for more than 1 square centimeter or has any deformation, that will cause insufficient lift power. Overloading or large movements may cause the drone to crash, and the prompts will show on the app. If the arms are broken after crashing, check the cables inside. Replace the broken cables to prevent short circuits or other issues. Check the motor indicator after drone crashes. If the indicator is not solid yellow, disassemble the ESC for inspection. Gently rotate the motor. Check whether foreign objects enter the motor, such as stones and metal pieces. These foreign objects will cause wearing or short circuits of the motor coil. If the rotation is not smooth, the ESC 3-phase line may have a short circuit. Check the motor balance power after maintenance. Hover the drone with half loaded or fully loaded. Monitor the output, RPM, current, and temperature of the motor in the app. Generally, the RPM difference will not exceed 200. Part 2. Battery and power divider connector inspection. Check the screws on the power divider connector. Check if there are any missing screw washers. Check whether the battery clip is damaged. Check whether the connector is split, rusted, or has sparking marks. Lightly press the battery base. Check if there are any cracks. Check rollers on the battery rail. If there is any damage or missing. Part 3. Flight control unit. Check RTK antenna if there is any damage. Check if the antenna supports are not tightened or broken. Check if the RTK feeder line is installed in the wire slot properly. Check whether the terrain following radar and the obstacle avoidance radar are installed in place. Part 4. Body frame. The carbon tubes are not easy to break. It is necessary to check whether the folding parts are detached or broken. Replace the broken arm sleeve immediately, otherwise it will cause strong crashes. Turn on the spring system. Check whether the flow rate is accurate. Check the connection of the flow meter. Check the joint and the pipes and make sure they are connected well. The air leakage will cause issues like inaccurate flow rate or liquid dripping. Check if there is any damage on the tank. Check if there is any deformation. That's the end of this tutorial.